Okay, so one and only, say put future, say Purangokwayo, say Jan Kobulwayo, a lot of the ghetto father of all corruption. Say, you know the vibes? Yes, sir. And turning the back with
That's a bar.
another banger. 20 Blind Date. Season 1, episode 5,000. Yeah, bro. So, yeah, man, as you can see, yeah, bro. So, like, rules, ne? Like, no two, tell me, rules, go no two, yeah, bro. And no lena magama, yeah, bro. And it's only line ba, ni suka plega ni chala pi, as I will like, yeah, bro. And no line ba like about stuff, yeah. So, mbuzo kala, what's it, okay. What's your type actually? Yeah, what's your type?
Ladies first.
Okay, what's your type?
Oh no, men lead, so.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start and the pictures are gonna follow.
Okay. Yeah, guitar essential pitch, yeah, pitches follow. So what's your type?
Okay, man, types are born. Slender. Yabo. Kanye nje yabese siqova. Yabo. Antanga ncange color, skin is just a color. Yabo, but abesilenda okanye nje yabe short base right. Yeah.
That's a bar. Okay. That's a bar.
So what's your type in?
Mjita dem. Be I be dark and I be called light skinned. Nah. And I be lovable, man. Yeah. Type Samuels.
Lovable, Nata.
Ogo.
Okay. Yeah, man. Okay. So what's your green flag in a woman?
Man, a green flag. Ndingathi imeeting ekhulusi. Intombazana mayike isifundise uba ekuse isipaneleke. Yabo. Faka isipanele ungabolusi man ekuse uhamba ungathi uyitaxi ukhola umuntu wonke ubone into ezinje ya andimfuni umuntu nje ya uhlisa isidima sami. Bese ngayihoye yakhe sesayincama. Yabo.
Okay, wait, what's a green flag?
On a man.
On a gyan.
Okay. Ooh.
Sorry.
Green flag number 1. And so what chum. Sunbamba futhi. Green flag number 1 is bana aphangele chum. And athande ifamily yakhe. Ayibeke iqala ifamily yakhe. Oh, and he must love God. Hallelujah.
God.
Clock.
Uyaphangela wena ta?
Of course.
Oh shit. Okay. So red flag ngoku. What's a red flag in a woman?
Oh, a red flag man intombazana ubone ekuse ibeka kanjani. Intombazana engazithandiyo man. Intombazana mayihlambe. Because if you should go uyiceke ixesha elide like style uphinde uyivule ekuse inganukisele kamnandi man. So ingase intombi ihlambe jo. Yabo. Yeah man, izithanda iziphathe kahle yabo. Yeah.
Okay. Ngicela red flag kuwe in a man. In a yarn.
Indoda engahlambi. Obvious.
Okay.
Funa kube hygiene yakho chomi. Funa kube on point nokunuke kamnandi xa uyi own. Yayiva. And
okay.
Any red flag indoda engabhejiyo chomi. Not to badge as such, but to spoil your girl, it's a must. And that you're also gonna spoil indoda obviously.
Okay.
But okay, it's a must. Now good is a must, but okay, indoda ibuka lokho. A man lead. A man is a king.
Uyabheja wena tyani.
Yaxhomekeka. Hayi mfuna ukwazi abakithi. Uyaxhomekeka. Xhomekeka into manje ingasibe kumba kithi boy. Iphuma phaka kumenhliziyeni. Angabe nayo la nto ba indoda must. Wena uthi must entweni?
Siyamaster nathi function.
Athi ke indoda must mana mayingabe ngathi icode yenu. Yabo. Yangabe ngathi icode yenu lonto. Dibanda amantomba njalo.
So
don't want lawula. Dota must intoni?
So yeah, so wena so far like judging by like ibone yena ugelo like yabo nje basetheater like wena usho better
esibabe njilo bakithi ba ngaseqale ya ibe nenhliziyo yami sitsho like ufuna umuntu ozothi baby hey for none unabazali bathengele into uphume kum engabe sesinyanzeliso lonto.
Okay ta waso okay ndibuze le Red Flags no ithu mosine. Okay, so what are you guys' love language? Siqala pha ku
hayi siqala kum
that's a love language.
Oh my brother, love language quality time, physical touch, and
Can swara
man ke angibahambi nje umuntu ohleli soyithiwa naxa sihle nabantu angibahambi nje. And the reassurance to me, love language like in the reassure like on somebody baby nguwe wedwa ngithanda wena wedwa. Nothi umuntu aqomba okay nadi mxele mos bandamthanda izolo so I uzo relax namhlanje. Like come on now. So yeah, that's my love language.
Well, like it, what's a love language?
Man born ingase like unganga abe right abe nice abe funny andifuna umuntu othuleyo yabo ndithi xa nihleli naye manje nithethe ephendule ngathi ze ku interview hayi livumela ngalonto wadiye kwami xolela hayi right man umuntu ofana oncokolayo yabo like exercise babe sechili girls benazo nezo quality time like sispend man sike sithathe ne walk ngezinye imini bone si relax nje kube mnandi yabo yeah ndingatsho.
Okay. Ngicala like okay since nithithile physical nonzeni ngicala like yabo siyakule feeling ne touching yabo so ngicela izandla zenu isandla sakho okay ngicela sakhe isandla na ngicela nifilane ke feel that shit
Na?
feel that shit ngena tasa shoot ngena.
Okay.
So okay
Kaya ngezandla zakho zibilileyo.
zibilile okay yimo so
biliswa kuwe man
so sanje sashuta tamle ngabo so ngicela ubuza like okay cela like uni like usayitha basina sakhe
Out of 10. I'll say 5.
Bruh. Why?
I feel like this is some, I don't know. I think it's like it's small. It's not like what I expected, you see.
Okay. Well, rate bani exact.
Rate bana.
Out of 10.
Ngathi bana u 8.
Why is it?
Because bansi to 8. Yabo. Ngakenze icecisa njani na. Okay, this rate to 8 ne. Because ubone u9 ndi mu10 ngoyi.
Okay. So ke ngokujonga ngicela ke ngusirate yabo like ezinto senizithethile on each other like ubone ezi type and red flags and don't like zonke into benizithethe wena ngicela unratele uguy like yabo out of 10 like yabo ngamrate bani yena so far
9 out of 10.
Why you see wena?
Because ngizothini na kwayena mani iyavakala ba ngumjito grand and iyavakala ba uyahlekisa and anobhoreka bangahlala naye.
Full.
I feel like yeah, that's why ndimnika 9 kuzo zonke into besithetha. So yeah.
Full. Wena ta ungamrate bani ke ngokuyena idol like kuyo yonke like yeah so far yonke la yeah ungamrate bani?
About 100 xa ususu 0 weqibela.
So that's a 10.
Yeah man.
She's a 10.
Yeah man.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
Kan we nikhulana le kaka yimask.
Funa man.
Hey bana. Oh sorry.
Yeah man.
Hey bana.
So like ngisho yabo ngicela like unika like 5 minutes yabo. She like like no. Sanqama. Cela like unijonge.
Kaloku yenza.
Cho mamelani. So nika like 5 minutes ne. And then the 5 minutes like yabo you're gonna conversate.
No. That's a
I feel
bar.
like bigger right muslim.
Now we bigger right.
Yeah,
Conversation.
then you like Gina's are like what do you do for a living, like where do you work, like okay, like when how do you feel about this, like and this and like like you like general things like need for 5 minutes, you know. So like we didn't have any mic. Who am I giving the mic? But in a tabam. Strong. John, like umanu share mic yabo.
Yeah, go away. Relax. Yeah.
5 minutes in the call. So
What's the mic? What's the mask on?
Yeah, mask on.
Okay.
Molotov.
Molotov.
Right.
Right na.
And right now man nikse I feel like umshana ngoku ningeka kubondi. Kwenzeka ntoni? Bethu you are Nikse otherwise man. Okay. Man futhi boy anipitisa ngo.
Sondela njani ke ngoku?
Sondela njani?
Nice fine. Nawe tenta sondela njani? Yeah, share mic.
Utheni ungamhlalisa baphezulu kwami?
What? Ushona zokusinda.
Isukana. Indlova isindwa ngomboko wayo.
Ow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Brain proof.
Disharp njani?
And moto nama nikse bengicela unixelele ngawe Joe man like ngendlela ekutona.
Funa ukwazi intoni ngami Chomi mnama like what you see is what you give. So, I don't know. That's funa ukwazi into.
Like noba kungandoni Joe like into like oyithandayo newe ongayithandiyo way out.
Yose ngikhala sendaphendula kodwa kubuzwa nge-out.
Okay, sure.
You. Endithandayo kwi-out yezibabe ngishile out clean. I-out yeziphangelelayo. I-out ethanda abazali bayo, i-out ethanda ifamily, i-out ethanda icawe. Uthixo. Yeah. Engayithandiyo i-out incuvist. Like encuvayo ichirin, like why would you do that? Uye out. And ne-out outside and ifune out outside like suba outside khawube esendlini yo nasendlini uzinze ube igyani.
Okay wena nje ubuthatha ngempangelo uyaphangela phofu phangela ne. Okay ke ngicela ubuza ngezi bed sendishilo nje Joe. Okay so ke ngoku like into like wena uyithandayo general ke ngoku like
in general
yeah like ngaphandle koba into onithandayo outing like oyincanywayo
i-out esiphethe kahle
like msimile ngama-outing ngoku ngathi wathanda amadoda
ntona uthini kanti andiyiva le
question bana into oyithandayo like general lapha ngaphandle like ngaphandle kwama-outing
ngaphandle kwama naniyithandayo
ewe
uwe thanda ukutya nolala obviously some weed
ayisani noba sizoba nekhomkhom kukulala nam I also do it because nam mosesiba ubutshile uba umthanda umuntu ophandle namani nguye mani umuntu ophandle andikulaa muntu othanda uzivalela endlini yabona cithe quality time yam nefowuni yam or nefamily yam jo yabo ya ndingatsho mani uba thina mani kuse singabagrand mani zethu yabo singabagrand xa ndiyazi kuba after le mask kuba ndizobona ntoni kodwa shem uba umbi uyazi uba ndizawuhleka uba umbi uzawuhleka bayibunza umnqanto into
ndiphakame ndiphume
uhambelani suhambe hayi sayithetha le yam mna
ndinereason uba uhleke funeka kodwa yam funeke siyithethe
mna ndinereason uba ndimbi uba ndibona ndimbi and nereason uba ndimhle yabo for wena.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
That's right. Asivale bakithi.
No, I don't even have questions.
No questions.
Okay. No.
Damn us. I feel like this is a match. Cause yeah.
Easy.
I feel like comment section. You. Comment section. Comment down below what do you feel. Like now I feel like she feel like the same thing and then people who are watching right now. So yeah. Okay. Make sure you like, comment, share, man. This is a match, guys. Like, I don't know what to say.
Nice,
like for real, bro.
Yeah, Lily Salento.
And you go get more lashes is amum now.
Lashes.
Damn.
Yes, Zamamas.
You. Damn, okay. Okay. Damn. So like after the conversation, since like you just conversated, okay, yeah. Slungo man, bafethu. This is not our lion.
Yo, your lion. What is not my lion?
No, but second.
Lion ingenaphi? It's not
against him now.
Nonsense must now.
Cool. Okay, guys, Islunga is so said to man, but this is not our language. So yeah, but can I say zungakhumshi? Fuck it. Sizungakhumshi. So guys, man, I'm like been like unboza ke ngoku like since like nithithile yabo and like yabo yabo ndibethe ngesixhosa le yabo ngisithi
Make it fast.
So hoy
yeah nabe nshimbiza pha kum
and ke ngoku namhle into pheka
hey bana
sibike kwana relax
hey ayibo hey bana aba bantu baye benqile ngembiza ubayi2 okay ngicela simini ngicela hey guys ngicela like ichonga ni returning a conversation like leno like nidibanise ke yonke like yonke the whole thing ke ngo out of ban like yonke like njengoba seniqala navan like ba umuntu uthanda nonthanda then naphinde nancokola current out of 10 ke ngo yonke lawe ngala komphi kanye to starting
okay yeah man ndingathi man ba ndimrate to 10 ukela cause ubone ikse zonke manje izinto ezithethayo manje zize like nami ndisifunayo emedini yabo like ayingumuntu ophandle ntontontonton yabo like ugrand umedi man yabo but I just can't wait to see her you big chakumsho akwazi lena man for abantu mbone ikse yeah
and how umrate out of bani
out of 10 I told me I think it's the one. You think it's the one? But we will see, hey? We will see.
Okay. So ndizawucela like yabona izamujike kanje yabonga nizawubonana ngosenizobona like uzamofisa ngapha bengicela office
ngapha kanye
like the side yeah like uzamofisa cause like we're gonna count down now we come chike down to jonga ngapha we're gonna count down now we're gonna count down okay like that so like zobala from 5 yabo guys make sure you comment share and subscribe most importantly yeah but you're gonna comment I'm doing this shit for y'all since learning that things so make sure you like you comment you turn on post notification button and then you subscribe did
you go
demos okay zobala from 5 ne yeah you couple say funa bonana this is a match guys I'm telling you so zobala from 5 ne Kaya ngoxa sendifika ku 3 niyazikhuluma sine but nisavale amehlo xa ndifika ku 1 ku 0 niyajika xa ndifika ku 1 niyajika xa ndifika ku 0 niyajika ngoba nisavala amehlo xa ndifika ku 1 xa ndifika ku 0 khona nivula amehlo ke ngoku senijongana right okay
ndingahlekwa
hayi senwara 5 4 3
yakhuluna
ewe 2 1 0
kapni njonge man ngithena shayi
yeah thina ngabekho shayi
yeah
ithina ngabekho shayi
ngithena uzoba shayi xa ubone soulmate yakho
we got the right one
ngikuva ke ngoku ne
hayi ndacula cho
okay man but yeah jo
choma une gold ke nesta
stana ngakubona yekseban yabo sibeka njana ngakule ufisha yami ndifuni iqhakazi yabo check the star yo ndinama mkhona phi start that's why okay nisibekele lana ngobe nikuvezela bana sister sakho jo sesilapha phambi kwakho
Tasipha. Okay, so like guys, like since like nibonene ngoku yabo. Bless you. Sorry. So like guys yabo like nirayithani ke ngoku yabo since nibonene. Out of 10, I had 10s and 9s into ezinjalo, but then ngicela nirayithani ngose nibonene ke ngoku. Umnika bani? Ubuti. Ngamtsho.
Ke looks.
Like ngoku uyabo ke ngoku everything usesala yonke into beyithetha and the physical appearance like yonke la way umrate bani ke ngoku.
Appearance ndimnika 10. He's cute though. He's cute. As baby ngishoba like yabo. I feel like he's like ulingana nam. I don't know. Get height. I don't know. So I will give him like a 6 like department. Okay. So ngala wena yongota you do the rating now, like as you can see the doll right in front of you. As you can see. Like so like yabo. What if him day?
180 plus 180.
Seriously? No, that's 360. Oh my god! Wow!
I'm on girl. Say since ngathi uyajaja nojaja nje height nangentoni ndizamnika u5 because umhle yena ne xa unento zodimanda ngontoni ba ufuna udimanda umntu ndizenzile yo
kangidithi uzenzile but kangidithi but it's a bad thing though elong ba uzoba mde kuma I don't mind ungalingani nami uzothini yo
abo ndithini uthi ufuna umuntu omhle msilakwezela ndiyifuna yenza ngcotshela
nona kubemde like at least like ungalingani nam like bemde kunam
asimi ke sibone
yeah break it sit down chin hey
intoni ingxaki yakho real like what the heck is wrong with you bro
like kanjani
usingle John nami ngeke nimfunele umuntu guys blind date naye yeah
guys comment down below. So guys like yabo ngoku I feel like like into like ndiyaba like nakwenza njani but I feel like this is a match ne so like mina ndiyaba like nikwenza like nakwenza njani and ke like okay when do you feel like this is a match?
Kind of.
When do you feel like this is a match?
Yeah man.
Okay.
Hayi ngifuna ungatsho shame ugela ubasiwe eliba ukuqhomana lapha emva kwethu.
That's a bar. Boo. Buzz.
And kuthi nomlilo I think uza representa no Luthando Lwethu like ibe ngathi Excel isedebhe upha kwi Big Naz.
Yeah. Okay.
Damn. Buzz. Guys, first ever match to ever be done. But like okay, it's long some guys man. Fuck it. Okay. So guys, like comment section and comment down, but like you say imagine but then yeah, but as you can see guys, this is a match. First ever match is Tolubana like blind date. Like this is the first. So like second blind date comment section.
Please sorry.
Why?
Khona ngiyafuna ijonga. Khathi kanje. If khona ngiyafuna ijonga ithi kanje.
Unjengalo libubila.
Ithi kana.
Ubuntini? Oh, okay.
Guys, first ever match. Guys, second blind date, just comment down below if niyayifuna say soze and asizova ngabo izoba khona, trust me. Comment down below if niyayifuna qhanina. This is a match guys. First ever match eqala uba khona. Maybe bazayigqibezela anginawo mina ngoku mina yamsebenzi ndiwenzile ndabanisa nabayi2 abengalanduzi. So nina just make sure yini hayibo senifuna hamba ngoku. Hey, can mean guys, so when I just make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe so that you can zothini nizophinda ndibanisa abanye abantu abayi2 baphinde baphume bathini beyi1. So yeah, this is us, this is me and this is them by one. So like Ngicela like guys ni subscribe man, that's all. Siyaphuma ngoku.
Ngathi ndiyamazi I don't know about ndiyamazi lapha.
Ukhona ngikuku.
Nebondazele TV.
TV ne. Na.
Ya ndikwayo celeb.
Kwayo na celeb.
That's a bar.
Those are interviews.
That's a bar.
Nah, he's one of the interviews. There's a bit like get exes and stuff.
Oh.
So now since we keep teaching ex and stuff, so I thought I must just like put you on. This is what I do. Yeah, but this is what I do.
Oh, I hope so. Oh, I pray about instant pudding.
Yeah. Look, interviews boba itu but then I put them boba itu ngoku kwenza like sebo wafumana abantu. So guys, yeah man. Ouch. So guys, evala man ngoku. This is a match.
Sweet. Yeah.
Suvuma ukhetha mnganam batla uhera njayam kayizokweqa mnganam uyakudlulisela qala buzo bangibani isibane obungamazi naye cala emne bengamazi suvuma ukhetha mnganam batla uhera njayam suvuma ukhetha mnganam batla uhera njayam